I'm sure. Let's take this off. There's two last pieces involved, and it looks like a squeeze and push from the underside right there, and the access isn't terrible, so hopefully this is going to work out. Really would have been nice to have some instructions. I probably mentioned that. Alright, so this guy right here, and one on the other side, I got two of those. Just gotta squeeze them out and push them out, I think, and then the fender should be able to come off. And I just gotta be careful because I have not disconnected any of the electricals, so this might be some entertainment and definitely some manipulation. Alright, I got one of those guys out. You cannot get at it from underneath. However, with the proper tool, like a pick close to the base, you can go in and you can pick them out. Whew. So, two of those, hopefully going to be reusable. Alright, so just got half a dozen more fasteners, and I imagine that's why it won't come up vertically, but since I took the side ones off, I can wiggle it side to side. So, take those off, lift it up, put that piece back in, and hopefully the hitch fits right in the first time, and it'll be all good. We'll find out. So, just these two, and these two, because now we got some movement. So, that should be easy. Yeah. Got to take out those last two yet, and then we'll have to very carefully manipulate the fender because we still got the whole wiring harness tucked underneath the fender, still going in there, and you got to watch out for that. I'll have to do electrical work eventually, but I'm not trying to do any today.